Hello everybody, welcome back to Ray's World. If you are new to the channel, thank you so much for stopping in. I really do appreciate it. Stick around if you like what you see and subscribe, why not? If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate it. In today's video, I had every intention of doing a coin roll hunt. However, this dog is needy. I got my coins open and they were all uncirculated, all $125 worth, a box of nickels and a box of pennies, both uncirculated. So I can't do a coin roll hunt. So what I did instead is I went to the garage and I got these old motors out that have just been kind of taking up space, and I pulled them apart and it was a ton of fun. I love doing that kind of stuff. And then took it to the salvage yard and got rid of all my scrap steel, which I needed to do for a long time. And then I decided, why not do a melt? And so what I did is I went up to the kids' playroom and I raided all of their toys, and I found a McDonald's toy that I was able to pull apart, and we did a casting of it. Here's the video. I think you're gonna like it. Puppers. The last one I did, this piece here was aluminum in between the steel plates. These two pieces were aluminum all the way around, and so they were easy to cut and break off of there. These bolt holes right here are flanged out over top. They're flanged out a little bit bigger than the bolt hole themselves, and so it holds this plate on. Getting those off is likely to be trouble. Like, I'm really half tempted just to let this one go. Burning all of this copper is just going to be disgusting. I hate to let this copper go. It's probably a good pound and a half of copper. It's not a ton, right? You can always get more. Let me show you what I got out of the other motors that I did. That 5-gallon bucket right there is half full of good clean copper that I got out of 3 other motors. So I'm wondering if that one is even worth it. Look at that, I've already gone through a pair of gloves. Let me know in the comments, let me know what you think. Should I go ahead and take that one apart, or should I just let it go? Just throw me a comment. You let me know. Should we work at it, or should we let it go to the scrap? That is all my steel scrap that needs to go, and I'm gonna take it today. Let's go ahead and get this big piece of steel off of here. Ugh. Woo, watch your toes. Watch your toes. There, we can take that to the scrapyard today. I'm wondering if this rod will come out of there. Yeah, it's moving. This is mushrooming out though. I don't want to mushroom that head too much. Let's clean up. Let's go to the scrap yard. It's right around the corner. That's an old crappy toolbox that I don't want or need, so I'm getting rid of it. You know what? Let's do this a little smarter. Why don't I turn the car around and back it up to where I need to be? Jeez. Guys, this was actually in my basement. Look at that. There was live wire run to that in my basement. It's not a ton. I'm probably only gonna get like 10 bucks for all of this. I got a little bit more outside I'm gonna run and grab.
How you doing, sir?
Good, how are you? I got just some buckets in the back. Just some generic scrap steel. Hey, Luna. Just some generic scrap steel. Do you need to look at it back there?
No.
No. When I'm dumping stuff just out here, can I film just me?
That's fine.
Okay.
They ain't gonna say nothing.
Okay. All right.
You can keep it how it is. They ain't gonna
Yeah, if I just leave it how it is. Okay, yeah.
And you got a little dash cam or something?
No, I'm just doing a YouTube video.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So, just fun stuff like that.
Gotcha.
So, right on, man. Thanks.
Yep.
Appreciate it.
Have a good one.
You too. All right, we're at 3,300 pounds. So he weighed us. He's gonna weigh us when we come back out. We're gonna drop everything, and he's gonna weigh us. And cool, he's gonna let me film. Nice. All right, well, I lost a little bit of video while I was dumping it. I didn't realize I hit a button on my phone. That'll tick you off. Oh well. Let's go get weighed again and find out how much we lost. Please do not stop between yellow stands. Wait for traffic to clear. You got it. That was it, quick and easy.
All right. There
You need
go,
that one?
sir.
All
Yeah.
right.
Have
Thanks.
a wonderful day.
Appreciate it. Take care.
You too.
All right, we are at 3,080 pounds, so that was about 220 pounds. I think you get, gosh, I don't know, 220 pounds. I'm gonna say we're getting 15 bucks. 15 bucks for all that. That's my prediction. All right, now we gotta go back around again. We're gonna park. There's so much stuff here I could melt. They got so much copper on the inside of the building, it's not even funny. We're gonna go in the building. Looks like we got a little bit of weight. Luna, you stay here. I jumped a little when he barked.
Oh, sorry.
That's all right.
She wouldn't hurt a flea.
Yeah, I got my dog in the car too. She's the same way.
Letting me know that somebody's...
Yep, somebody's nearby. Hi, how are you? Doing good. Nice. Cool, thanks. I appreciate it.
Yeah, sometimes the clothes you do contact.
Gotcha. Right on, thanks a bunch. I'm back, Luna. I'm back. Good girl. All right, I was not too far off. I said, I think $15, and we got $12.75. All right, back at the house, we can't do all of that without actually doing a melt. So I got all these little bits and bobs of copper, twisted copper wire left over. Some copper pipe that was down in the basement that I took apart, and we have got the furnace going. We got it cranked. 1150. We're at 800 degrees. We're gonna start loading some copper. Ooh, it's hot. Cool. We can do this, or we can find something to pour in sand. What would we pour? Let's think for a little bit. Okay, I raided the kids' playroom and I found a Hello Kitty. Got it apart. We got two halves. I got a hole in the nose. I'm not sure if that's going to be a problem or not. It probably is, but we'll deal with it as we come to it. Let's get some sand out, set it up. Metal. We interrupt this YouTube video for mail. It's from Smelt and Cast, Wildwood, New Jersey. I don't know what this is. Did I order something and forget about it? Let's just tear it. Huh. There's a screw. I know what this is. I did order something. Good golly. I ordered this so the screw is to help you get it out. I ordered this so that I could cast one. I ordered this off of eBay this last week and totally forgot about it. How cool is that? Coming up on a future video. Oh, there we go. Cool! We'll cast some bars out of that. I need a 3D printer. All right, back to the melt. Whoa, that just cracked. That cast iron mold just cracked. Wow. Look at that. It's my little vent. We are going to give that about 10 or 15 minutes to cool off, and then we will bust it open. Oh, yeah. Hello, kitty. Oh my gosh, this turned out great. Okay, we flew over the side a little. That's okay, perfect. Yeah, I think that extra runner helped, actually. All right, well, this was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a ton of fun. I'm happy because I got the workshop cleaned up a little bit, although it looks kind of like a mess. I think I'm gonna take my $12 and go buy a new diamond blade. I really need one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all real soon.